How do I troubleshoot and diagnose the issue with my Ninestars trash can?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot and diagnose issues with your Ninestars trash can. If your trash can is acting up, don't worry, we'll go through some common problems and their solutions.
What are the common issues?
First, let's identify some common issues you might encounter with your Ninestars trash can. 1. The lid does not open or close properly. 2. The motion sensor is not working. 3. The trash can is not getting power. 4. The trash can is making unusual noises.
Is the trash can powered?
Before we go any further, let's make sure your trash can is properly powered. 1. If it's a battery-operated model, check if the batteries are correctly inserted and not drained. 2. If it's a plug-in model, check if it's properly plugged in and the outlet is functioning.
Is the lid opening and closing properly?
If your trash can lid is not opening or closing properly, it might be due to an obstruction or misalignment. 1. Make sure there's nothing blocking the lid's path. 2. Check for any visible damage or misalignment that could be causing the issue.
Is the motion sensor working?
The motion sensor might not work if it's blocked or dirty. 1. Ensure the sensor area is clean and nothing is blocking it. 2. If it's clean and unblocked but still not working, the sensor might be faulty and need replacement.
Is the trash can making unusual noises?
Unusual noises could be due to a mechanical issue. 1. Check if something is stuck in the mechanism. 2. Inspect for visible damage that might be causing the noise. In this video, we've covered how to troubleshoot common issues with your Ninestars trash can. Remember, if you've tried these steps and the problem persists, it's best to contact Ninestars customer service for further assistance. We hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining your trash can's performance. Thanks for watching.